Listen, being skinny isn't your limit. It's your launch pad. The issue isn't your genetics. It's how hard you're willing to work. If you want size, you eat like a warrior. Every meal is a chance to level up. Protein, calories, discipline, consistency. Skip it, you stay the same. Grind it, you change everything. You can train hard all you want, but if your nutrition is trash, your body stays skinny. 2026 is waiting, but it doesn't wait for lazy men. Every bite you take is either feeding excuses or feeding results. Stop hoping. Stop whining. Stop being small. Fuel your body. Build the muscle.